How to disallow automatic refresh on your REDnote app. Hello guys, welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off or disallow automatic refresh on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you launch your REDnote app, head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. After you tap on the Me that is on the bottom right, simply head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, find the gear icon that is right beside the edit profile. Tap on it, the gear icon, and now you're on your settings. Now what you'll need to do is head over to the general settings, and under general settings you'll find a function section. Now under function section you'll find allow automatic refresh. Now to disallow automatic refresh, you'll simply need to toggle the button off and you're basically good to go. And that is how you can turn off or disallow automatic refresh. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.